Hello everyone. Welcome to part 7 of prepositions. In this module, we are going to talk about prepositions used with different modes of transportation. And here we begin. The given example is we traveled by train and not by the train or by a train. We may travel by cycle, by car, taxi, by bus, by train, by boat, by ship, by plane, by air, or by sea. That means preposition by is used before names of vehicles only in one case, and that case is if there is no article before them. Neither article nor any possessive adjective. Possessive adjective means my, his, her, their, are. Now, the question is which preposition should be used in case of any article is used or any possessive adjective is used before the name of any vehicle. Let's read the given examples. Suresh went there on my bike. Here you can notice my possessive adjective has been used. Similarly, in the second example, we traveled in Mr. Joshi's car. Again, we can see possessive has been used here. Possessive case, Mr. Joshi's apostrophe S. They came in a taxi. Here we can notice an article. And then we have I'll go on the 7:30 bus. And here we have definite article the. So let's try to understand. Here we have a rule. We, written in the middle, we do not use by when the reference is to a specific cycle, bicycle, car, train, etc. And the last rule, we use on to mean a specific bicycle, bus, train, ship, or plane. And preposition in is used to talk about a specific car, taxi, van, lorry, or ambulance. Now, the other question that may trouble our mind is why to use preposition on with the names of few vehicles and with the rest in. The reason is bicycle, bus, train, ship, or plane have a higher level. That means we need to raise our leg for sitting on a cycle. Similarly, we need to mount the stairs to board a bus or to enter a train. Similarly, the level of ship and plane is also higher. And the level of car, taxi, van, lorry, and ambulance is lower than the level of the vehicles already mentioned, like bus, train, ship, and plane. Now, you must have noticed in the examples, they came in a taxi. We can also say they came by taxi. But if I say by taxi, there is no article, there is no possessive adjective. So this point must be clear. I'll go on the 7:30 bus. Now here we are talking about a specific bus that leaves or that starts, that departs at 7:30. But we can say I'll go by bus. In this case, we are saying any bus and not a specific bus. So saying I am in a bus is grammatically incorrect, though our meaning is conveyed, but grammatically the sentence stands incorrect. So the correct should be I am on a bus, right? I am on a train. I am on a ship. I am on a plane. But I am in a taxi, in a van, in a car, in a lorry, or in an ambulance. Okay, do we go somewhere by foot or with foot? It's wrong to say by foot or with foot. It should always be on foot. Did you come here by car or on foot? So please do not say by foot or with foot. Correct preposition to use with foot is on, and we never say feet, it is always on foot. Viewers, if you find this video beneficial, helpful, and you think that it has cleared your concept, do share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.